Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Coral Gardens is a prime residential and investment opportunity located on the outskirts of Montego Bay. Surrounded by lush greenery, this area is ideal for both family homes and investment properties, with significant tourism related developments nearby. The property spans three levels. The lower level features three studios, each with its kitchenette and bathroom, a caretaker's bedroom and bathroom, garage and storage. The main level includes three bedrooms, two bathrooms, a powder room, living and dining rooms, TV room, and a long patio. The upper level offers six bedrooms, six bathrooms, and two patios. Spacious grounds include a gazebo and plenty of shaded trees, and is secured by an automatic and a pedestrian gate. The land size is almost half an acre. The roof has potential for a terrace with views of the Caribbean Sea. This property is an excellent opportunity for either a family home or an income generating Airbnb investment. Call today to book an appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 795,000 or Jamaican $125.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.